Can you spot a difference between the differently produced t-shirts? You can't? Me neither. That is because the print result pretty identically onto differently produced t-shirts. The only difference I am able to spot is of haptic nature. Hi, my name is Mirco and today we'll be looking at the difference between ring-spun cotton t-shirts and open-end yarn t-shirts. The difference between the two t-shirts is the way they are manufactured. Here we have open-end yarn and this is ring-spun cotton. Ring-spun cotton feels soft whereas open-end yarn is a bit stiffer. No matter which fruit of the loom t-shirt you or your customer will choose, you can always achieve good prints with the right settings. All information about the textiles we used, as well as the printer from RICOH, can be found in the description.